This is Math 142 Practice Test 1, question number 2. We're supposed to find 6 trig functions for this rotation, this angle. So it's negative 5 pi over 6. So a negative rotation is going to go this direction. So negative 5 pi over 6. If I think about that, this isn't necessarily drawn right, it's just in the right quadrant. I want to figure out what that is as a positive rotation, just to help me out. A full rotation is 2 pi. Which, if you turn that into sixths, is 12 pi over 6. So 12 pi over 6 minus 5 pi over 6 is going to be 7 pi over 6. I could, figure out what size this triangle right here is, find this angle, figure if this is a 45, 45, 90 or 30, 60, 90. I could also refer to my unit circle, if I'd like. So I'll just go that route today. 7 pi over 6 is right here. So I know that these are the points for that terminal edge, and I can get at these values. So sine, I'm just going to call this, say it's theta. I know that theta is that, so I don't have to write it again and again. I'm going to find sine of it, I'm going to find cosine of it, and I'm going to find tangent of it. So let's see, I know that sine on the unit circle corresponds to the y value. So it looks like here y is negative 1/2. Cosine corresponds to the x value, negative root 3 over 2. And then tangent is y over x. So tangent is going to be that sine value, the y, divided by the cosine value, the x. I have a negative divided by a negative, so it's positive. Notice this is a fraction divided by a fraction. I just got rid of the signs because I know they're going to cancel out, which is the same as the first fraction times the reciprocal of the second fraction. That's a 3. 2's cancel out, so it's 1 over square root of 3. And if I rationalize that, multiply by root 3 over root 3, I get square root of 3 over 3. All right, so let's keep going. Cosecant, secant, and cotangent. And remember, these are reciprocals, so cosecant is sine flipped over. That would be negative 2. Secant is cosine flipped over, so it would be negative 2 over root 3. Get myself a little bit of space here. Hopefully, there we go. Rationalize that denominator, multiply by root 3 over root 3. I get negative 2 root 3 over 3. Cotangent, flip that. I'll go back to this version of it, 1 over root 3. If I flip that, that is root 3, and there's all your values for those trig functions of negative 5 pi over 6.